NoRedInk guided drafts help you draft a full-length essay with lessons, interactive tutorials, tips, and examples to support you as you write. This video will walk you through how to use a guided draft to help you write a strong essay. From your student homepage, click on the assignment that your teacher's given you to open up the guided draft. When you first click into a guided draft assignment, you'll go through an interactive tutorial that will help you understand what strong writing looks like in the genre you've been assigned. When finished, you can begin your essay on the next page. Before you begin, carefully read through the prompt your teacher has assigned. You can always view this on the left side of your screen. Also, be sure to take a close look at the rubric. The rubric outlines the specific requirements your teacher's given you for your essay. You can click View Examples to see more examples and explanations of any of these criteria. With guided drafts, you can work on your essay in any order that you'd like. For example, we'll start with our body paragraphs, then write out our introduction and conclusion. Once you've clicked into the body paragraph box, you can see lessons, tips, and examples to help you out with writing your body paragraph. The key parts of a body paragraph explains exactly what this paragraph should contain. For example, a topic sentence, evidence, and explanation of your evidence. Click View Tutorial to see an interactive lesson about writing body paragraphs. If you'd prefer to start by looking at an example, you can click the View Examples button to see examples of body paragraphs in a strong essay. Lastly, you'll find several tips and tricks for writing your body paragraph. Scrolling through the tips will give you ideas of specific ways to improve your essay, as well as common mistakes to watch out for. Many tips include helpful explanations and specific examples, which you can see by clicking the View Examples link underneath each tip. Once you're ready to write your introduction or conclusion, you can click into either of those boxes and view the same helpful examples and tips as you could with your body paragraphs. For example, clicking into the Introduction box gives you tips for writing a strong hook, bridge, and thesis statement. Remember, all of your work will be saved automatically. You can also click Save and Exit at any time. This will make sure all of the work is preserved and you can pick back up where you left off by signing into NoRedInk and clicking the assignment. Before you submit your writing, take one last look at the prompt and rubric just to double check that you're meeting all of the requirements your teacher laid out for you. Also, take one last read through of your writing to make sure it's clear. When you're ready to turn your essay into your teacher, click Submit Writing. Once you've submitted, you can't make changes to your essay unless you ask your teacher to send it back to you. After you've submitted your writing, you can find it by clicking Past Work in the upper left of your NoRedInk homepage. Once your teacher has left feedback, you'll see a breakdown of your score on the rubric as well as any comments that your teacher's left for you. If your teacher wants you to revise your writing, you'll see your assignment pop back up on your homepage, marked Revise. By clicking into the assignment, you can view your teacher's comments, make changes to your essay, and then resubmit it back to your teacher. This wraps up our introduction to NoRedInk's guided drafts. If you're stuck as you work on your writing, the best person to help is always your teacher. You can also always reach out to us at support@noredink.com and we'd be happy to help. Happy writing!